In the heart of the city, where the whispers of time echoed through cobblestone streets, lived a curious clockmaker named Amelia. One morning, Amelia found an hourglass unlike any other. Its sands flowed in reverse, and its shimmer held a hint of magic. Amelia began to share a story. Long ago, it was believed that time's echo could be heard in certain places, where past and present intertwined like threads of a tapestry. Inspired by the tale, Amelia led her neighbors to an alley known for its echoing qualities. Laughter and voices seemed to weave through time itself. Amelia's heart ached as she noticed some echoes were growing faint, as if the tapestry of time was fraying. She felt compelled to discover the cause. Guided by the hourglass's magic, Amelia embarked on a journey through history itself. Her path led her through eras and epochs, each with its own echoes. Amelia's journey led her to a hidden chamber known as the Hall of Echoes. Here, artifacts from different times were stored, their echoes woven into the fabric of the room. Amelia discovered a resonance crystal within the hall. It held the power to restore and amplify echoes, resonating with the echoes of the past. With the resonance crystal in hand, Amelia returned to the echoing alley. She infused the crystal's energy, and the alley came alive with laughter, stories, and whispers from ages past. Amelia shared her journey with her neighbors, reminding them of the importance of preserving moments and echoes. Together, they became the weavers of time's tapestry.